In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update from Joomla 4 to Joomla 5. To ensure a smooth transition, we'll walk through the process step by step, highlighting key considerations and potential pitfalls to avoid. Let's dive in. First and foremost, planning is crucial. Before initiating the update, prepare by making sure you have a complete backup of your entire website. This means backing up your files and your database. Backup serve as your safety net should anything go wrong during the update process, so don't skip this vital precaution. Next, check that all your extensions and templates are compatible with Joomla 5. Compatibility problems can cause significant issues post-upgrade, so it's essential to ensure that there are Joomla 5 versions available for all necessary extensions and templates. If they're not yet available, consider contacting the developers for updates or exploring alternative options. Before proceeding with the update, if you're using an older version of Joomla 4, make sure to update to the latest Joomla 4.4x version. This step is important because it ensures a smoother transition path to Joomla 5. Once you've taken the preliminary steps, consider testing the upgrade on a staging or development site. This is a great way to identify potential issues without affecting your live site. Staging allows you to simulate the environment and work out any kinks before making the upgrade live. Additionally, it's essential to verify that your server meets the minimum requirements for Joomla 5. This includes running PHP version 8.1 or higher. You can typically check these requirements through your hosting provider's control panel or by consulting your hosting service. Now let's get into the actual upgrade process. Begin by logging into your Joomla backend. Navigate to System, then go to Update and click on Joomla. Look to the top toolbar and click on Options. Here, you'll need to change the update channel to Joomla Next. This setting ensures that you're opting into the upgrade to Joomla 5. After adjusting the channel, click Save and Close. Following this, Joomla will guide you through pre-update checks. These checks help identify any required or recommended settings and extensions that might need adjusting before the upgrade. With checks in place, you'll proceed by clicking the Update button. This action kicks off the upgrade process to Joomla 5. Pay close attention during this phase. It's essential to monitor the upgrade process carefully. Watch for any errors or warnings that arise and address them immediately to avoid complications. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on updating from Joomla 4 to Joomla 5. By following these detailed steps, you're setting yourself up for a successful upgrade while minimizing the risks of running into issues. Remember, having a backup and testing on a staging site are keys to a stress-free update experience. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your Joomla upgrade.